knowledge, by free education. You're the one who lives all our hearts by your simplicity. You're the one to whom the name simplicity stands for. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dikshita from class 9 here. First of all, thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. I am here to give a speech on the Kingmaker Kamarajar. One of the leaders who remain in our hearts even today is Karmaveer Kamarajar. Kamarajar was a selfless leader who worked tirelessly for the upliftment of Tamil Nadu. He was an independent activist, freedom fighter and a politician. He was born on July 15, 1903 in Virudhunagar to Kumaraswamy Nada and Sivagami Amma. He was from a low-income family. His family had to face with both poverty and prejudice. Kamarajar's father died when he was 6 years old. His mother Sivagami Amma was forced to take care of her family. When he was 18 years old, he started involved in politics and joined the Congress party. From 1954 to 1963, he served as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu celebrates the birth anniversary of Kamarajar as the Educational Day or Educational Development Day. He has made enormous contributions for the upliftment of education, industries and agriculture. In 1976, he received the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor. He served as the president of the Indian National Congress between 1964 to 1967. Importantly, he introduced midday meal scheme to provide at least 1 meal per day for the lakhs of poor school children. He also introduced free school uniforms to weed out caste, creed and class distinctions among young minds. Kamarajar has developed many dams and irrigation canals, namely Babani, Satanur, Vaigai and more. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Not everyone's life is history. No history has ever lived for himself. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Educating women is to educate a family. These are some quotes said by Kamarajar. He served as an inspiration to all the people and he died on October 2, 1975 due to heart attack in the age of 72. Last but not the least, I would like to end up my speech by saying a small quote. The Kamarajar, the Kingmaker, a man of simplicity, a true epitome of nobility. Apart from a politician, a man who fulfilled all people's ambition. Let's celebrate the great leader on his birthday. At this time, I would like to tell thank you for your attention.